1 ball, 1 strike, 2 out. Runner at first. Bottom of the ninth, 4-1 Red Sox. Kimbrel at the belt. He fires. Swinging a fly ball left field. Benintendi moving back toward the wall. He reaches up, he makes the catch, and the Red Sox have won the American League pennant for the 14th time in their history. Andrew Benintendi with the last put out there, mobbing Craig Kimbrel, who got the save tonight. David Price with a win, and the Red Sox are going on to the World Series for the first time since 2013. They beat the Houston Astros in Game 5, 4-1. They win the season series 4-1, winning the last 4 games. They're mobbing Kimbrel and one another on the pitcher's mound right now as the Red Sox are celebrating their pennant clinching victory here in Houston, Texas tonight. Can you believe it?